Hi guys, as you all know, Mr. Beast made a video where he launched 6,000 pounds worth of fireworks. But what is it like to actually be a firework? We're gonna strap this camera onto this firework, right, and see after the explosion what it's really like to be a firework. Hi guys. We're in the field where we're going to launch our rocket. And here's the rocket with the camera attached to it. And this is the balloon. And if you're wondering why we have this balloon, that's because we need this balloon to see where it actually goes. So, let's hope this works. Right. Hopefully this goes well. Oh.
Hey, did it work?
I guess. Hi guys, so this is tomorrow. Basically, it will happen after you see the clip. You see, if we didn't hinting that the camera will weigh anything, but it did. So with the camera on, and the rocket went 20 feet up in the air, and then just went crashing down, exploded and nearly killed us. So next time in part 2, we will have more rockets and more smartness as to actually make sure or the camera doesn't make the rocket go phew. So stay tuned. Yay!